I've spoken to my parents. They said you should give me food.
And you have to wait for me to confirm from Madam first.
I just said I spoke to my parents. And...
Oh, please get her something to eat. She won't be partaking in the fast. Huh?
Yes.
Okay, and then take care of the house. I'll see you guys later. Alright, baby, take care of the house.
And it should be brought to my room. I don't want to eat at the dining. I'm very hungry. Hurry up. Have you seen what you and your many church talks have cost?
What?
Making everyone in the house fast.
I didn't force anybody, I just pointed out what I noticed.
And the next thing, everyone in the house is fasting. Except me, of course. I'm sure you can see that. You're free to have a taste if you want. I can be generous sometimes, you know. Yeah.
Thank you, but I'm not interested. What are you doing here?
What do you mean by what am I doing here? This is my room and I can go wherever I want. I can even stand wherever I want.
How long have you been standing here?
Is that question for me? You're the guest in my room. Or will you now tell me where to go and where to stand in my own room? Wait, why am I even answering you? I should be the one asking you why you're shouting and disturbing me in my sleep. When you're done kneeling there, turn off the light.
Uncle Gabriel, do you need help?
Mirabel, see, if I want help, it's definitely not from you, okay?
But Uncle, I'm not lazy. You know that I can help you.
Mirabel, I know you are not lazy, but you can keep me busy with your mouth.
Exactly what I came to do. Uncle, can I tell you something?
Yes, go ahead. As you can see, I am busy with my hands. My ears are free, so I'm listening.
Last night, I woke up from sleep and I saw Ifoma standing by my bedside with her eyes red like fire. It's as if she wants to harm me.
Mirabel, that is not possible. Things like that are not real. They only happen in movies.
Uncle, I'm not joking. When I turned on the lights, she was still standing there, but this time around, her eyes were normal.
Mirabel, it's your imagination, okay? As for her, standing next to your bed, it is her room, so she can possibly stand wherever she likes.
Uncle, you don't believe me, right?
Mirabel, I don't believe in things like that, because they don't exist. Look, when you start thinking about something so much, they start playing in your head. And before you know it, you start dreaming about them. That is why people eat in their dreams. So, it is your thoughts. My dear smart Mirabelle, things like that don't exist. They are not real. Okay? They are not.
Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Why did you drop these clothes here?
They are my dirty clothes.
For who to wash them for you?
Are you not washing?
My friend, you better pick these clothes and wash them by yourself. Because if small Mirabelle can wash her clothes, you, an adult, should be able to wash yours.
Well, I am not Mirabelle. And I can't be washing my clothes when you're here. Of what use will you be to me if you're here and I still have to do so many things for myself?
Come and pick these clothes and wash them by yourself. Because I will not touch them, oh. I won't touch them. Come back here! Come and pick them and wash them. You are no longer a kid. You should learn how to do things by yourself in this house.
So you have refused to wash my clothes?
I told you I will not wash them. You're a grown girl. You should learn how to do some things by yourself before it is too late to learn.
Are you waiting for me to come and beg you before you wash them?
Beg. Even if you beg me, I will still not wash them. Not for a rude girl like you.
You're calling me rude? No problem. I'll show you how rude I am today.